When you want to refuel your tank, when you feel empty, when your tank feels drained, when you feel like, today has just been enough. It must finish now. I've had enough of this day. When your tank needs to be filled, be thankful. There's many words that fly around on this medium on the internet that we hear all the time. And these become buzzwords that when our psyche hears it, it just goes, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When people talk, I go, yeah, yeah, yeah. Psyche goes, yeah, yeah, yeah. And grateful is one of those, gratitude. So thank you still resonates beautifully with the psyche, beautifully. So if you want to have your tank full, you need to be thankful. So how do you become thankful? There's a very, very special remedy for it. It's an ancient remedy. It's been around since I was a child, and that's a long, long time. So there's an ancient remedy which I'll tell you about. But to be thankful, you need to look at the things in your life that's full. So just take a walk around your house and look at the things that is full. Your clothing cupboard is full. Your fridge is full. Your grocery cupboard is full. And when I mean full, it has something in it. It doesn't have to be full over to the brim. Although, my cupboards look like that because I like to hoard things. I always like to have things, for just in case. But your cupboards don't have to be full. There just needs to be something in it. It needs to contain something. Your heart's not always going to be full. You're not always going to feel this fullness of ecstasy and happiness. Mm-mm. It's not always going to be full in that way. But there needs to be something in it so that it's not empty. It needs to be full of something. And to make it full of something is very simple. Very, very simple. Because you can always find one thing. You can always find one thing to be thankful for. Just one thing. And then the thank you is full.